Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to draw the spine, and in this case we are working on spine number 6. Why do we call it spine number 6? Because we're connecting the transition line all the way to point number 6 of the lower line. And the way you draw that is that you just dip some ink here on the plate, This is how you use more ink, okay? And you start at stroke number 3 right here. As you can see, this is our stroke number 3 right there. Okay? And you form a semicircle or an arc. Do not draw a straight line to number 6, but it has to go in an arc or semicircle. Okay? So now I have a spine. And this spine, the main reason for this spine is that when we draw the lower strokes and the upper strokes, they will be tangent to the spine but not touching the spine. So now I will demonstrate the same concept to the client's left eyebrow. So we need to draw a spine. So point number 6 is about right here, the highest point for the lower line. Right? So I form a semicircle. Just form a semicircle all the way to point number 6, like that. Okay, so that's how you draw the spines on both eyebrows, the client's right eyebrow and her left. Make sure the spine is in semicircle, it's curving all the way to point 6, and the same over here. Thank you very much.